Yo, this is Harry, and today I'm gonna teach you how to do the inward case snare in just 1 minute. So the first thing you have to do is to say cat, but pronounce the C as strong as you can. Cat, cat, cat. Now remove the vocal, which is like the AT part in the CAT card. So just cat, 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 cat. Okay. Now you got that? That is like breathing outward, right? Now you have to do the same thing but breathe inward. Okay, so just out, in. Okay, very easy. So now, while you are doing the take your tongue and make it touch the roof of your mouth, like to block the air when you are doing the inward. So just it's like saying CL, clutch. Now do it in the fast motions and you're gonna get like which is the inward case snare. But you can make it better by doing it on the side of your mouth instead of in the middle. So this is in the middle. Now do it on the side of your mouth. Yeah, sound better. So much better.